YouTube, we're back with another video. Today we are going to look at how to remove and replace an air filter. Vehicle that we're working on is a VW Golf, Volkswagen Golf, the German engineered car. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to disconnect the negative terminal from the battery. Then we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver to disconnect the air ducting from the airbox. We're going to disconnect both sides. There Kevin goes, disconnecting the air ducting. As soon as that is done, then he's going to open the top half of the airbox. Now he's got it all off. He's placed it on the work table, and now he's going to remove and inspect the air filter for serviceability. Now, air filter doesn't look so good. So I'm going to clean out inside of the bottom half of the airbox, getting away all the dirt, dust, and debris. And then he's going to replace it with a brand new air filter. For training purposes, we just put back in the same old filter for training purposes. But if you're doing it on a running car, you need to replace it with a brand new air filter. Now Kevin is installing the top half of the airbox, or the air filter housing. It is kept in place by two latches. All he needs to do is to just flick it up, snap it in place for both sides. And now he has got it. After that, he will reconnect the air ducting to the intake manifold. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, to like and subscribe. We need your support to grow the channel. It's autokids.ky. Like and subscribe, and hit that notification button so that whenever we upload a new video, you are informed. Now Kevin is tightening the clamps that hold the air ducting onto the airbox, and he's going to tighten both clamps. So one end is attached to the airbox, or the air filter housing, and the other is attached to the intake manifold of the engine. So removing and replacing your air filter, it's a fairly simple job, but for some people this might prove to be very difficult. Very simple. Once you're mechanically inclined and you like to work with your hands, this is a fairly simple job to get done. Now, both clamps are now tightened. Now Kevin is going to reconnect the negative terminal of the battery, and then he's going to use his trusty combination wrench. Some people might call it a spanner, to tighten the negative terminal in place. And now, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. He's ensuring that that clamp is properly tightened. Now, we have come to the end of the video. So all he needs to do now is to wipe the tools that he have used clean and return them to the toolkit. So we need to keep the tools clean and ready for the next job. We don't want to store in the oily and greasy tools. So they were taking a look at the complete job. Airbox is in place, ducting is in place and tightened properly, and the negative terminal of the battery is in place as well. Job well done, Kevin. Tune in next time where we'll be looking at how to test a set of high tension leads for resistivity if they have a high resistance. Remember to like and subscribe our channel. It's AutoKids KY. Hit that notification button. See you next time. Peace.